I think my entry to science fiction was like through afro-futurism, and I think it was just, I think science fiction is also like for me a reminder that not everyone has access to their story or history, and it also becomes really this space of, instead of being discouraged around that you can also like really imagine new futures as such. So I think science fiction definitely gives this, again, I guess, like these ideas of like possibilities, or like when thinking about the future before. Sometimes a way to be with something is also through like, I guess, also imagining like alternative bodies. I mean, like I think these ideas of like world building and really kind of, it gives this freedom of also trusting what you already know and what you already carry, but also kind of try to imagine other ways of being together or other ways of encountering something. And I think it's also, I guess science fiction is also, when thinking about science fiction, it's also like a way to reclaim it, because quite often there's like this trope that is so tied up to colonialism in science fiction, where you're going to an unknown place and you meet something or someone or otherness that doesn't look like you, and then you're trying, it's like, if you at all like read about all this different like colonial histories, and then it's like it makes, there's so many links towards it, and I think then science fiction can be a space to, I mean, a way to reclaim it is like thinking about alternative histories and that is not through like the lens of colonialism, and it's also thinking about just what, I guess, histories and what would have happened if certain histories did not happen also. Because ultimately it's so important to still continue to imagine other realities, and rather than accepting, like there's always like a possibility to think of other ways of being together, other like economical models or other family structures, and I think science fiction can give space for that.